First thing, we're gonna open the ink cartridge compartment. It's where you see these two ink drops. You just need to stick your finger in this opening and then pull towards you. The lid will lower itself. Then we need to remove this orange plastic piece over here. If you intend to travel with your printer, you will need to insert it back so the ink does not come splashing everywhere inside of the printer. To do it, you just need to pull it out. Then you're gonna notice that each ink cartridge has its own slot. So here we have magenta, cyan, yellow, and finally the black. So let's start with the first one, which is the magenta. It's very easy. Each of these ink cartridges are clearly marked with which color they contain. And you need to make sure that you never touch with your finger these small electronic contacts over here. Always hold the cartridge this way. And you're gonna insert it with this small tube first. So align it this way, like this. And then you just need to push it with your finger once it's aligned until it clicks in place. Like this. Now let's do the next one, which is the cyan, with the tube first. Align it and then push with your finger. Then we have the yellow one, like this. Hold it like that. Push it inside. And finally we have the black one. Same thing for this one as well. Although the black one is slightly larger than the other ink cartridges, it's the same thing. Just put it like this and then with your thumb push it until it clicks in place. If you already had ink cartridges there and you want to remove them, you just need to place your finger on the top here and you see there's a small clip. And by pushing it down, it will unclip the ink cartridge and you'll be able to glide it out. I hope this video was helpful. If so, please leave a like. Also check the Amazon affiliate links down below if you want to get some ink for your Brother printer. This is a great way to support my channel since I get a very small commission every time you buy through my links. Like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.